I have two last call GoldieBoxed mystery boxes. So if you want to see what's inside, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit are off doing Chloe and Bandit things. Bandit likes to just snuggle up with my mom all the time. So I don't know, he's kind of a little trader dog. And Chloe's just resting after school. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So these are last call mystery boxes. So they're 2 for $30, which is a great price. They are, I think this was summer. Usually it says in the back, but it doesn't say on the back. So I think that wrapping paper was summer last year. So we have 2 of them. We'll go over box 1 and box 2, and you guys tell me which one is the best box. All right, so box 1 has this scarf. Now, I did get this scarf as one of my choice items, so we're going to put that aside. We have a spoon rest. I also have this. But it's very nice. We have this bracelet, and this was one of my choice items as well, but certainly you could stack these, so that's nice. And then last is the Bella Pierre Emerald City eyeshadow palette. Now this had a really high retail value. I feel it was like over $50. So I do have this, so I'm not going to use this one or swatch it or anything, but it does have lots of gorgeous, gorgeous colors. All right, so you know I liked all the items in there because these were all choice items. Well, I think the spoon rest was the one of like the bonus items. Let's get into box number 2. Box number 2 has these bath salts, which I believe were one of the bonus items in Cherry Blossom. They smell amazing. We have the Laritzi, what is this? Nudes. I'm going to guess it's a lippy of some sort. Oh, that looks like a pretty nude. Oh yeah, that, I think I could get that color. I think I could get away with that color. Oh, now I had actually been interested in these and I didn't add them on. So I'm pretty excited, although I don't know if I might have to wait depending upon, well, I guess it's going to be sunny all week, but these are the sun painting cards. So you actually have like these little cards that you put on top of the card. So it's light sensitive. So what you get are these little, okay, see these? So you might get, you can take leaves from the outside and you're going to put them on top of the card. There's also like some different forms in here that you're going to put on top of the card. And then you leave it out in the sun and then it prints onto there. So it kind of, this from the sun, it's going to, okay, so they are a dark blue. Let me a quick peek. I don't want them to, and then there are some different forms that you can put on there, or you can make your own, take some leaves from outside. That fern leaf print is pretty nice, but whatever you want. This would be nice if there were more of them and you could kind of lay them all around. And then there's some envelopes to put them in. The last item is this cute little bag. Let me take that out for you. So this is going to be vegan leather, and it's a little wristlet, and it's got like a little pocket, or, yeah, little pocket, and the rest of it, it's nice and like foamy, like it's definitely got some nice cushioning in there. So, and I like that little stripe, very pretty. All right, so those are my 2 GoldieBoxed mystery boxes. So which one was the better box? Of course, you know, I chose 3 out of the 4 items in box 1, but this box, because I don't have any of these things, I'm going to say is my favorite because I don't have any of these things. Well, except for the salt, but again, that was one of the gifts that, depending upon your level, you got. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.